job. It's Blue Beat the Parrot. Yeah. And, of course, our parrots have to stay in top physical condition in order to be able to run those big ships. Captain is no exception. He'd like to demonstrate to you how he stays in top physical condition, in good shape. If I can get this thing up here just a little bit heavy. Hey, show everybody you're the strongest parrot in the world. I'm trying to get in a fight with him. But hey, there he is. In front of your very eyes. Captain Hoodville, the strongest parrot in the world. Our spine, tingling, spinning of a story continues as the captain attempts to spin a story of his own as he hurls his little body all the way over in a complete circle on this spinning bar. Timing and control will give him a good chance of going all the way over the top. Please hold your applause unless he makes it all the way over. Good luck. Oh, he's on his way now. Swinging that little body back and forth. Now he's got one thing on his mind, and one thing only, and that's to go all the way over the top. If he does, we'll give him a nice round of applause, so get set. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. Straining. Yeet. Climbing. Woo. Racing for the top. This could be it. Racing again now with everything he's got. Falling just a little short. Here we go. This is looking pretty good. Whoa. Not quite. This could be it. Get ready, Eric. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let's find out. Ooh. One more good push. Oh. Well, I'm not sure. Looks like he could. Now this is looking good right here. Let's give it a nice round of applause.